Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, heated steering wheel, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.